Consider the function below. F of x equals x minus 2, x minus 1 over, x minus 2 again, x minus 3. Which of the following statements correctly, I give up, describes a feature of this function? So it's talking about wholes and asymptotes. So before I even look at the option, let's see whole, asymptote. What we have is, since upstairs and downstairs are the same exact thing, that tells me that there is a hole at the number that makes this factor 0, and the number that makes that factor 0 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. I have a vertical asymptote then at the number that makes this bottom one 0 at 3. I have a 0 at 1, but I don't have to worry about that. So there is a hole at x equals negative 2. Nope. There is a hole at x equals 2. Yep. There is an asymptote at x equals negative 2. Nope. There is an asymptote at x equals 2. Nope. 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 Like and subscribe.